Okay.
I'm going to see how this new plastic repair kit I got, I'm going to try this material.
Okay.
See how it melts. I don't know how fast it's going to melt. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to repair this piece here. I'm just going to join it to hold it in place. And what I've done to help as a jig is I've mounted this fiberboard on the back just to hold this in place. This will be coming off when it's all done, but it helps keep the shape while I'm working on it. So what I need to do now is I just need to melt this together here, and it's kind of tricky being able to try to hold this. I just need to get this tacked. Takes just a little bit of finesse on this to get this stuff going in there, and then this is the first part of it, and then there'll be a wire mesh that goes over this, gets melted into the plastic once this cools, and you kind of try to maintain the shape you need. And then you can, when you're done, you can finish this out with a filler, and that should hold there. Actually hardens up pretty quick. It's the first time using this particular welding rod on this plastic. I kind of like it already. I'll see how it does after it hardens and how sandable this is. That's the other thing I'm trying this out for, is to see how well it's going to sand and take primer and paint.